Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add freeze frames to a video using CapCut. So I have a clip here that I'm going to drag to my timeline and I'm going to scrub the playhead forward a bit. So let's say I want to freeze frame right here. And this could be because you want to add some background effects or a short voiceover, maybe some classic memes, the classic it was at this moment type of stuff. So all I have to do is make sure the playhead is where I want it on the video. Right click on the clip, go to edit, and then click freeze. And this will automatically create a separate uh sort of segment that you can adjust to make it longer or shorter, however long you want. Let's keep it a little short for now. Let's rewind a bit and press play. Now we can see from our playback here that the freeze frame works perfectly. And after a while, it goes back to playing normally. So that's how to add a freeze frame using CapCut. I hope I was able to help and thank you for watching.